Guys, I'm back. We're back. I'm back running. And I post YouTube shorts every day on my trampoline. Well, not every day on my trampoline, but I bought this TV because, I threw my Xbox controller on it. It was meant to come last night, but it didn't come. My mom is sorting this out right now. Yeah, so peace. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What was that? What was, whoa. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. 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 Okay. But, oh yeah. Peace.